Look what Daddy's bringing out here.
Birthday presents!
Wow.
Yeah, throw away that Play-Doh. Alright, what do you want to open first? Which one? That one?
Wow.
Oh, you're going right at it.
Keep going.
Keep going, you're not done yet.
You're not sure you want that one? This
Oh,
one?
you want that one?
Elmo.
Oh, yeah.
You want Daddy to help you?
Here, I'll start it. I'll start it for you. Here. Here, look.
Here, maybe play it. What's in there? Whoops.
Open it. Here. Pull out that. Now open it. Rip it.
Rip
Go.
it. You're allowed to rip this.
See, look. Go like this. Oh, look. It said Tommy's birthday. Should you turn on this light?
Sorry.
Yay! We know you like that. You reading it? You reading with?
What does it say?
Nope.
Oliver, you have more presents.
Oliver, there's more. What's in here? Or in here? Or in here? I'm gonna finish opening it. Pull this. Yeah, pull. Here.
Oliver.
Oliver, come on, open this one.
No, that one doesn't make music.
Come on. Here, push this.
Wow, keep going.
Yeah. Thank you. Oliver, losing focus.
There's the only problem with opening that first.
I know.
But I thought it might get in the...
Yeah, I might got excited. I might have gotten excited. You want to open that? Open
Let's
this.
finish.
Here, pull that.
Oliver, look.
Look.
Look what's inside. Ooh,
Ooh.
bath toys.
Bath toys.
It's for Mimi and Pop Pop.
Yeah. Yeah,
We have
bubbles.
bubbles.
Yeah, look,
I don't know why I'm
bubbles.
looking at that, not
There's
you.
bubbles there.
Wow.
What about the next one?
Wait, Oliver.
Oliver, look here. Open this. Yeah, it's a truck.
Wow.
What does that do? Wow. Do it. Pull it up. Pull it. How do you get it off the thing?
No. It's probably not super easy.
That's okay.
Are you happy? What? Ooh.
We got one more for you.
Uh-oh.
No, can't get any better?
He's like, I'm happy with these toys.
Other way. Pull it up. Aaron's not gonna like that. It's a good thing that's not annoying.
I know.
Likes it.
Yeah.
See, I knew it was a good game. I didn't know it did that, like it opened like that.
Oh.
Hey, Oliver, let's open this one.
One more.
Oliver, let's open this. Here, I'll start it for you. Here, pull this. Oliver, pull that. Oliver.
Keep ripping. Open.
Go on.
Rip the paper open.
Yeah, pull this. Oliver, pull this. Here. I think you're gonna like this one the best. I don't know, it's gonna be tough to beat that truck. When did you get that? Was he there?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you already started playing with it.
Oh.
The time you need it.
Okay. Alright, should I just open this one? Here, wait a second.
Oliver, come here. Look at this. Let's open it. Here.
Oh
It
my
plays
God.
music too. Oliver, look, it's your jukebox. Plays music.
You know what I like about that truck?
What?
Assembly not required.
None of these really are.
Nah, this has just got some tricky little strings to pull out.
Well, all toys have that.
Yeah, I wonder why that is. So you can't do it in the store? The kids
I don't
can't-
know. Hey, what do you want? Help? What do you want me to do?
Oh great, there's some coins here we can use.
Okay, say bye. Oliver, I'm gonna turn the camera off for now. Say bye.